Okay, here's the video that you requested of the R310 front back side labeler. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on right now for you to see. There's the machine turning on. I can't run it at this current time because I have a small air compressor running the machine, and it's going to turn on as soon as I start labeling. There's your photo sensor eye. There's the labels going up to where the web is. There's the rewind. Okay, here's your pressure gauge. You see it's got 90 psi ready to be labeled. Here's where the cup goes on right here. You can see the cup. I have the foot switch here that I press with my hand. That'll make the cup go up and get labeled. You have all the different controls for different air settings. These three for the carriage, the mandrel, and the head vacuum. And then around the back you have the connections for the foot switch and a coder if you want. Everything's nice and clean, as you can see. So that's it for right now. This machine's in my basement, so it's not in like a professional setting, but it's a very well kept machine. The next video will be another short video of me actually labeling this small stack of cups right here. I already did this one. See the space? All right, over and out. Zoom in on. Ready? Nice spacing in between the labels, exactly how I have it set up. Nicely spaced between the top and the bottom on both sides, going on nice and straight. You'll notice on the labels you have to create them to be almost a frown shape, which I can explain to whoever buys the machine. This machine is a workhorse. Sorry for the background noise, but I only have a small 6-gallon air compressor. You can see that the labels are spacing and breaking because I have the spacing set. This machine comes with a clutch inside of it. The clutch will stop the labels from spinning for just how long you tell it to space on the label on and off delay. So that's it. I'll turn the machine off. I've labeled this stacks of cups here, and just as long as it took me to talk to you on the phone. This machine used to label about 4,000 or 5,000 cups every day, 5 days a week. We were supplying Whole Foods from coast to coast and many other supermarket chains. The machine will require air compression to run at 90 psi. My suggestion is don't use a pancake compressor like I have, or it'll run a lot. Over and out. Thank you. Just to give you guys a rough idea, here's the top labeler that goes with it. You can see how well we take care of these machines. They look like they're almost brand new, spick and span, nice and shiny still. There's not even dust in the filters on these machines. This is my L60 top tamp labeler. It labels right here up and down. The lids, this does the side. When these machines are not in operation, they get bagged. So there's not even dust on these things. All right. I have new Teflon tape on the machine. I have extra parts, relays, things that you can replace, wear and tear parts. I have anything that comes with the machine I already have, including the user manuals that I have on DVD, as well as paper manual. If you buy the machines, either one of them, they come with the manuals and all the spare parts, all right? Thanks again for watching. And there's the cups I just labeled. You can see inside there, all right? Bye.